Hello friends, I hope you all are well and healthy. Today's video will be something different and informative. Before starting the video, I will recommend you to please use your earphone for better experience. In today's video, I will tell you about the disease called scurvy. In this video, I will tell you from starting to end about scurvy. I will give complete explanation about this disease and I will also tell you the ways to prevent it. So overall this one video will be sufficient to you to understand what scurvy is and how to prevent it. So before starting the video, please like the video and subscribe the channel to get more health videos in future. So friends, let's start the video. First, let us see what is scurvy. Scurvy is a disease caused by the lack of vitamin C in the body. This vitamin C is very important for the body as it helps in the production of collagen. This collagen is basically a protein needed for healthy skin, blood vessels and bones. Scurvy has significant historical importance, particularly in the context of long sea voyages during the age of exploration. At that time, sailors who went months or even years at the sea often cannot able to eat fresh fruits and vegetables, which are rich in vitamin C. From that, scurvy becomes a major health problem, and that disease spread worldwide. Especially sailors who went for long time into the sea for exploration were affected by scurvy due to the lack of vitamin C in their diet. In the 18th century, scurvy was one of the leading causes of death. Till that time, no one knows the actual reason of this disease. However, later by scientific research and studies found that this disease caused due to the lack of vitamin C in the body. In the 1740s, British naval surgeon James Lind conducted experiments that showed citrus fruits like lemons and oranges could prevent scurvy. Now let us discuss the symptoms of scurvy. When someone does not get enough vitamin C from their daily diet, they can experience symptoms like feeling weakness, swollen and bleeding gums, joint pain, knee pain, rough skin and teeth loss. As I told in the video, this disease is very common for the sailors and explorers because they cannot able to get sufficient vitamin C in their diet. But nowadays, this disease is very much common in worldwide, all countries. In this stage, small children are also suffering from this disease. The children and families living in the slum areas are suffering from this disease as they cannot able to get sufficient nutrients like vitamin C and other vitamins in their diet. Before moving ahead in the video, I request you all please like the video and subscribe the channel if you like the information till now. By doing this, I get motivation to get more such health videos in future. Now let's see what are the causes of scurvy. Actually, scurvy is caused due to the lack of vitamin C in the body. When someone does not eat fruits like oranges, strawberries and vegetables like broccoli, peppers for a long time, then that person may suffer from scurvy. This is because these type of fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamin C. People with poor nutrition, certain medical conditions or those with limited access to fresh food are at higher risk of developing scurvy. Also, smoking and taking alcohol can cause the deficiency of vitamin C in the body, resulting to scurvy. Now let us see some methods which protect you from scurvy. The best prevention method for scurvy is to ensure a diet that includes enough vitamin C. This can be done by regularly eating foods rich in vitamin C such as citrus fruits including oranges, lemons, berries and vegetables including tomatoes, broccoli, peppers, spinach and kiwi. For people who have limited access to these fresh fruits and vegetables can take vitamin C supplements or tablets. These vitamin C supplements and tablets can help you to protect from scurvy. Now let us dive into the history and see the case when scurvy was treated for the first time. Actually, this first treatment of scurvy happens in the 18th century. In 1747, British naval surgeon James Lind conducted one of the first controlled experiments aboard a ship where he tested different treatments for scurvy on sailors suffering from the disease. He found that sailors who consumed citrus fruits such as lemons and oranges showed remarkable improvement, leading him to conclude that the lack of vitamin C was the cause of scurvy. This experiment was a turning point in both medical history and naval exploration, such as it helped to improve the health of sailors and contributed to the success of long sea voyages. So friends, at last I just want to summarize the whole video. At first I told you about scurvy. It is a type of disease which is caused due to the lack of vitamin C in the body. When someone cannot able to get sufficient vitamin C in his diet, then he may suffer from the scurvy. And to protect yourself from scurvy, you can eat the citrus fruits like lemons and oranges. You can also eat the vegetables like tomatoes, broccoli, peppers, spinach and kiwi. So friends, I hope you find this video informative. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts on scurvy, and also write if you have passed through this disease. At last, my only request to all of you, please like the video and subscribe the channel to get more such health videos in future. Your single like and subscribe gives me a huge motivation to make more such videos for you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.